At the end of the video, we'll point you to a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot. Setting up an LLC, limited liability company, for an engineering firm involves several steps. Here's a general guide to get you started. 1. Research and planning. Understand the legal requirements and regulations for LLCs in your state or country. Decide on a name for your engineering firm. Ensure it's unique and not already in use by another business in your jurisdiction. 2. Choose a registered agent. A registered agent is a person or entity responsible for receiving legal documents and official correspondence on behalf of your LLC. This can be you, another member of your firm, or a registered agent service. 3. File articles of organization. Prepare and file the articles of organization, also known as Certificate of Organization or Certificate of Formation, with the appropriate state agency. This usually means submitting a form along with the required fee. The form typically requires basic information about your LLC, such as its name, address, purpose, and registered agent. 4. Create an operating agreement. While not always required by law, it's highly recommended to create an operating agreement. This document outlines the ownership and operating procedures of your LLC. It typically includes details such as member roles and responsibilities, profit-sharing arrangements, decision-making processes, and procedures for resolving disputes. 5. Obtain necessary permits and licenses. Depending on your location and the type of engineering services you provide, you may need to obtain specific permits or licenses to operate legally. Research the requirements in your area and ensure compliance. 6. Register for taxes. Obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. This unique 9-digit number is used to identify your business for tax purposes. Register with state and local tax authorities to ensure compliance with tax obligations, including sales tax, payroll tax, and any other applicable taxes. 7. Open a business bank account. Separate your personal finances from your business finances by opening a dedicated business bank account. This helps maintain the limited liability protection provided by the LLC structure. 8. Comply with ongoing requirements. Keep your LLC in good standing by fulfilling any ongoing requirements, such as filing annual reports, paying renewal fees, and maintaining proper records. 9. Consider professional assistance. While it's possible to set up an LLC on your own, you may benefit from consulting with a lawyer or accountant who specializes in business formation. They can provide personalized guidance based on your specific circumstances and help ensure compliance with all legal and regulatory requirements. Remember to thoroughly research the requirements and regulations in your jurisdiction, as they can vary significantly from one location to another. Taking the time to properly set up your LLC can provide valuable legal protection and help position your engineering firm for success. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, go to the description below this video for a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot.